Do your knees crack in the morning? Add this spoonful instead of pills. Your bones need more than calcium. They also need magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 to absorb calcium properly and calm inflammation. Mix 1 tablespoon of sesame, ground flax, chia, and pumpkin seeds. Flax must be ground, while the others can be lightly toasted. Add it to your yogurt or oatmeal every morning. A small daily habit gives your bones the building blocks they need. All 8 seeds and the exact proportions for daily use are in the full video on YouTube. To keep the channel alive, subscribe and hit like.